In this video, we will see how we can install Kali Linux on VMware. So we already installed VMware. Now we need to install the Kali Linux on VMware. So to do this, at first we need to download the Kali Linux software, that means the OS, from this website. So kali.org, you have to go this website first. From this website, you will easily get the Kali Linux VMware edition of OS. So after coming this website, you will see there is a download link. So we just need to click downloads, and then it will show us all the download options of Kali Linux. Once you are in this page, we need to figure out where is the main download links for VMware. So just go down a little bit and you will see there are at the end of the table, you will see two links are there: Kali Linux for 64-bit and Kali Linux 32-bit VMware. So these two are the OS versions which we can download and install using our VMware, and this tutorial will be applicable any versions of VMware, like whether Windows version or Mac version, it doesn't matter. The steps and procedures are all same. So let's download. So right now my computer is 64-bit version, so I am going to download this one. So just click there and it will go to the download page of Kali Linux virtual images. Okay, so if you scroll down a little bit, you will see there are two versions. So basically Kali Linux VMware 64-bit version and there is 32-bit version. So if your computer is 64-bit versions, then just download this version. Otherwise, download this version. So I'm going to download this version because my computer is 64-bit, and I'm going to install this on my Windows VMware. Just click there, it will start downloading very soon, and it is a big file. Basically, you are seeing that it is 2.1 gigabyte file. Okay, and it will take some time. For me, it is showing like 7 minutes. It depends on the internet speed. Okay, so once the download is finished, then I will continue the tutorial. Once download is finished, then we have to go to the download location. So I'm going to close this thing because we don't need this window anymore, I mean this browser. So I'm going to close it, and then I'm opening to the download location, and right now I'm going to the download, and we see there is Kali Linux 2020.1 VMware. Some version is there, and this is a 7 zip version. So what we have to do, we first need to extract these things. We need to extract this zip file by using some software like WinRAR or WinZip. So I'm going to extract this thing, and then after that we'll continue. Once the extraction is completed, then you'll find this type of folder, and if you go there, you'll see there is another folder, and inside it all the VMware version of Kali Linux files are there. Okay, now we need to install Kali Linux using our VMware. So at first click on the start menu and then type VMware. So this is my VMWARE Workstation Pro. So I just need to double click to open it, and it will open. So in this tutorial, I'm showing you how we can install this Kali Linux on VMware. Okay, we are using Windows computer, but if you are using Mac computer, it will be the same. You just need to open VMware, and then after that you need to download that, and then you need to extract. Once the extraction is done, then from here it will be the same. So from here, what we have to do, there are a couple of options, but we will not use this thing. What we will do, we'll click file, and then from here we'll find on menu scan for virtual machine. Just click there and it will open like this type of prompt, and from here we need to browse the location of the VMware. Just click browse, and then go to the download location where you downloaded the Kali Linux and extracted. So for me it is in under download location, so I'm going to expand downloads folder, and from here we are seeing that Kali Linux is there, and from here this Kali Linux folder. Okay, just select that folder and hit on OK button, and it will map with that folder. Okay, then click next, and you will see it is automatically found that Kali Linux operating system. And then after that, what we have to do, we have to click on finish, and then after that click on finish button to complete the setup, and then press the close button again, and it will complete the thing, and you will see the Kali Linux, it will be here. So now just click Kali Linux and it will show you the details. So this is the details. So before power on this virtual machine, what we have to do, we have to upgrade this Kali Linux version or machine. Okay, so we can do that easily. There is one option, upgrade this virtual machine. Just click there and it will open like this type of window, and then click next, and after that from here we have to choose the latest version. So right now it is 8.x, but we'll choose 15.x, and once you choose 15.x, just hit the next button to go to the next step, and then click this option. Don't go for this one, create a new device of this virtual machine. You don't need, just do this thing, alter this virtual machine, and then hit the next button to go to the next step, and finally click on finish button, and it will take some time and it will do everything. So once the tick is there, that means your virtual machine is completely updated. So now click on close button to close this thing. Now we need to edit this thing if you want to. Right now the memory is 2 GB, processor 4, and hard disk 80 GB, and some other things. So if you want to change this configuration, there is on another link, edit virtual machine settings. So if you click there, it will open the settings of this virtual machine. So from here you can actually change the RAM size, processor, hard disk, okay, then CD drive, something, all of them you can modify. So if you want to right now it is 80 GB, current size 8.7 GB, and system free this gigabyte, maximum size 80 GB. We can actually customize this thing. Okay, so I'm not going to do anything, but if you wish you can also change based on your requirement. Like if you want to increase the RAM size like 8 GB, you can also do that. Okay, so there are many options out there. So just click on cancel button, because I am not going to customize anything. I'm going to hit cancel button, and now let's run this virtual machine with Kali Linux. So I'm going to hit power on this virtual machine, this button, and it will start loading the virtual machine with that image. And here you will find this type of thing. So this is asking that this virtual machine might have been moved or copied. In order to configure certain management and networking features, VMware Orchestration needs to know if this virtual machine was moved or copied. If you don't know, answer I copied it. Okay, so just hit the I copied it, then it will do everything for you. You don't need to think about this thing. Virtual machine will do everything for you. Once the virtual machine is booted up properly, then don't touch anything, let it complete the GUI version. It will take like 2-3 seconds, and after that this screen will be gone, and you will find this type of screen. It is working in the backend or something, but you have to wait till you get some information. So once everything is configured successfully, then we have to put the username and password. For username and password, this is the Kaylee, K-A-L-I, this is, and also a small letter. So I'm typing the username Kaylee, K-A-L-I, Kaylee, and password also is the same, K-A-L-I, and then hit the login button, and it will log in to the Kaylee Linux. So in this way, you can easily install Kaylee Linux on your VMware machine, and you are ready to start. So if you want to see whether it is working properly or not, you can open the command prompt, I mean the terminal. If you hit this terminal, it will open the terminal panel. Okay, and from this terminal you can write some command like who am I, then it will give you the username of Kylie. Okay, if you want to see the details of your operating system, you can type the uname, then a space, then dash a. Okay, then hit enter key, then it will show you the detailed version, that Kali Linux. This is the Kali Linux operating system, and with the details. Right now it is the latest version. Okay, and it's showing the date 21/2020, this thing. Okay, so in this way actually you can use this thing. So my preferences is, after installing this, at first check whether the graphics card is working properly or not. If you want to change the resolution of your Kali Linux, what you have to do, just hit here, this left top corner, and then type here display, and you will find the display over there. Just double click on top of it, and the display window will be appeared. From here you can change the resolution based on your requirement. Right now it is on 280 by 720, but if you want higher resolution you can also do, but I'm fine with this thing, so I'm not going to change this thing. So I'm going to close this thing, and now I'm going to do other thing also. It is recommended that you have to do this, but I don't know whether it is mandatory or not, but I recommend it to do this thing. Open the terminal again, so it will open the terminal, and here type on command. The first command is sudo, then space, then apt dash get, then update. So just type this thing and hit enter key. It might ask you password. Yes, it is asking password. Just put the password Kaylee, and So I'm typing the password, and then after typing the password, hit enter key, and it will start downloading a couple of things. It will try to update the system. Okay, it will take some time, but it will be very fast. uh, and once it is done, then we need to run another command, which I will show you very soon. Once it is complete, I see it is completed, right? Done. So the next command which I am trying to show you, that is sudo, then apt dash get, then space, then you have to type upgrade, upgrade, and hit enter key, and it will upgrade everything, and it will uh, ask you, are you sure or not? So we have to type yes. So I'm typing yes, and then hit enter key, and then it will continue the processing. Okay, it will take some time, like couple of minutes, based on the internet speed or performance of your computer. Okay, but it will be finished very soon, and it will upgrade all the settings for your Kali Linux. So it is working. I see it is working still now. So once it is finished, then I will continue the tutorial. So once it is finished, then you will find this top thing. That means you are ready, so you can close the terminal. So I'm going to close the terminal, and you're ready to go. Now you can use your Kali Linux for your own purposes, whatever you wish. You can learn something new, or if you want to install some other application, or if you want to use some other things, you can also do. So thank you guys for watching this video, and I believe that by watching this video, you will be able to install Kali Linux using VMware, and it doesn't matter whether you are using Windows computer or Linux computer, it will be the same, or Mac computer, all are the same. So thank you for watching the video, and if you like this video, and if you feel this video is useful for you or helpful for others, please hit the like button and also subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.